Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today I have a crafting project and it's just gonna be a quick, simple little project. And it's just an initials necklace. And I was thinking like I could write my whole freaking name out with all these sets, but why? Like I just need the one. And then here I thought this was bigger, but they're minis. So I don't know, I might need to get a bag for this because like I said, they're so tiny and I can use them fast. So I will grab one, and luckily this comes with a jumper. So this one I don't really need a jumper for, so I don't have to look for one. But yeah, I just like to polish everything up and then get it ready. Because like I wanted a long chain. This looks like kind of overdoing it, right? Do you guys think so? I don't know. I lost so much weight. Like it's crazy. And then I have these initials. So I have to pick out initials. Here's a M. Here's a initials. And I'll put the rest back and I'll polish the couple that I have ready. And then I'm gonna have to look for jumpers rings, and I have jumper rings that I can just grab from. I have this necklace that I don't really need jumper rings for, but see this one, like this one has like a lobster clamp, but look at this, like I could use the jumper ring here, so I can just remove this. And let me see. So I just pull it apart, and I don't use anything fancy. I just use my tweezers that I don't use. Like I just grab that and then I just remove it, because like I literally could just connect it like this, which is what I would rather have, a connection like that. And I was gonna use one here, but I thought it was silver. It's not even silver. But I'm glad I pulled it out. This is cute, but I don't know what's wrong with me. This is, let's see. It's one jumper ring. And then I'll just find the center. So this is like the center right here. And I just pick whichever. So I'll just pick this one. And then I just put this through. If it fits, if it doesn't, I have to order bigger ones, because I mean, it just needs to be open. And then close it. So these are just charms. You can use them on bracelets, on keychains. You can use them on necklaces, whatever your craft is, bracelet, anklet. And that's that. Let me see. I just want to make sure that it's closed because, like, I have a hard time with that. They always fall off. And so here's this, and I wanted to put the initials on the side of this one. So you go to the next one and you go ahead and put, and let me see how this hangs. Let me see how this hangs because it depends on which side it's facing, if it's left or right. So we're going to the next one, which is this one. And then we just place the jumper ring there. Oops. Did I get it? It fell. So then I'll put the jumper ring right there and close it. And then we'll just close it. Like that. And I'll just make sure that they are completely closed. Like that. And I need one more jumper ring, but these don't match. So, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I think that's all that I have on me. Like I literally don't even have gold ones. And the only other one that I would have would be on here. And that would completely work, but I'd say, in my opinion, this would be better to use with the crucifix than it would be to use with an initial, because that way it would be like the main focus. So I mean, I could do this like, totally, and just replace, like, see how the initial fell out already? That's why you want to make sure that it's on right. So I'll open this one and replace that one with a thicker jumper ring. So it needs to be open a little bit more. And I'll do that. Oops. So, and then I'll come back to I'll come back to the original one and throw that in there. See, this one's like not even near open as it should be because it's like 4mm chain. So you need to open it quite a little bit more and then try again. Like that. Then put the crucifix in like that. And isn't that cute? So far, so good. And I'm gonna find the front face of this one more time. Jeez Louise. So then the B goes here. And once again, I'm gonna open it. And put the B end face forward. And close it right back up. So then, so then the next one, you put the jumper in that one. And then put the next initial in. So like this one, like I said, it's 4 millimeters. You need it a little bit open. And just put that through. And like I said, you need it face forward, which is this way. And let's see, like that. And then you just close it up like that. So here we have the finished product. Just gonna wipe it down. And if I have to adjust it, I'll just adjust it. Basically, this is what it looks like. Like this. And you see I have to adjust it just a little bit more because I think the B is on crooked. Pretty cool, huh? So everything has to be facing forward. And the B isn't facing forward. I always do this, I don't know why. But I mean, it's just a matter of adjusting it now. Just like that. Try it again. So this is the necklace. And this is what I got. So I think it's pretty cute. What do you guys think? Think it's worth it? I mean, for 10 bucks, and I still have stuff to craft with. Pretty good, huh? Well, I hope you like my crafting and jewelry making video. If you do, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. My son, different. Bye-bye.